I'm Gwen Carnegie. I'm milking 235 cows with my husband Trevor just outside Rosenallis in County Laois. We started milking with Lely robots in 2013. We have just installed our fourth robot this spring. We have 3 A4s and 1 A5 robot that was supplied by the Lely Centre in Mullingar. Before we installed the solar panels, we were experiencing higher electricity costs. I suppose with 4 robots on 300 acres, the costs were creeping up, and that's why we looked into the solar PV. We found out about AEI through the Lely Centre Mullingar. My husband Trevor was down at the ploughing championships in Carlow, and after a conversation, Darren came out to our farm and just made sure that our farm was suitable, went through the costs, the savings, and what was needed. We attended a farm walk in County Kilkenny last November. It was on a Lely robot farm. The farmer had just recently installed the solar PV panels. After chatting with the farmer, chatting with the lads from AEI, we knew they were a good fit for us. From the time the installation team came to the time they left, it seemed to go seamlessly. They didn't need any help from ourselves, apart from just shutting down the power for the final connection for about an hour. We maxed out our TAMS grant, putting in a robot. So after talking with Darren, he gave us advice that the best grant to get was the 30% SEAI grant, and it just seemed to be the best fit for us. We have 4 robots on the farm and we have a young family, so flexibility is quite important to be able to kind of go when we need to. And then with the PV panels, to reduce the costs of running the robots, it's a no-brainer. Darren ran a PV sol, and between that and talking to the farmers, our projected return on investment is between 5 and 6 years. With the professionalism and attention to detail that the lads in AEI gave us, along with the projected savings, 30-year warranty and the no maintenance, we'd be delighted to recommend AEI to all the farmers.